Big Data Revealed. We enable you to uncover and govern the 2% of data that leads to problems and dissuades using information when it counts. Our rich metadata can be created in our environment or imported from the environment of your choice. Our pattern and issue discovery tools embedded in our workbench and our actionable workflow tools allow you to dispense with potential problems in your data lake before they become actionable. And with Big Data Revealed, you don't have to become a data expert to find your next imperative. Mission-critical and personally identifiable information data is the lifeblood of your company. We are living in a world where data exposure can cripple even the most successful companies. Does your company have undiscovered and hidden liabilities lurking in your data lake? Big Data Revealed provides functionality that quickly identifies personally identifiable information, URLs, emails, and social security numbers. Technical staff can use natural language statements and easily add new data patterns to BDR's already extensive library. Hadoop and HDFS are meant and made to store data, not column names or headers. Column names or headers will just be treated as the rest of the stored data. So when data analysts, data scientists, privacy officers, risk management officers, ETL and BI developers, and others are on the hunt or fishing their data lakes to find specific files with specifically needed information to deliver their reports, BI, predictive analytics, and pre-audits and identification of personally identifiable information or outrageous outlier anomalies, this becomes a long, arduous, inaccurate, and near impossible task in Hadoop with today's Hadoop technologies. Let's get right into Big Data Revealed's columnar naming, metadata, and storage. Its ability to define the column names and descriptive metadata, its column business classification, and its pattern analytics analysis, both automated to allow all Hadoop users from senior executives to hardcore developers to acknowledge what is in all the files and columns, the column names and the definitions from the data stewards and experts and subject area experts, the meaning of the column headers, as well as the domains stored in the Hadoop HDFS system. Watch as I step through just a few of the ways Big Data Revealed makes it simple and intuitive to create, store, and make file and column headers and metadata a reality and available for all people and third-party software and reporting technologies. Let's first look at a simple example of the customer file in Hadoop. As you can see the data just fine, there's no way to identify what is in each column. Are there 80% emails in there, though 10% social security numbers and 10% addresses, phone numbers, and more? Even with the robust discovery features of Big Data Revealed, we have to drill deep into the pattern and data domain values to verify our findings and take valuable time looking to the false positives that may be avoidable if we had the file, column names, and user-defined metadata for each column of the files. Now that I've made my point, let me show you what Big Data Revealed has comprised in file, columnar naming and metadata creation, and storage and collaborative usage. With our file, column names, and metadata, we can see the options we offer from this drop-down window. First, allow me to show you some of the file column names already in the Big Data Revealed Dictionary. This dictionary is created within the Hadoop framework and only stored for retrieval by BDR and other third-party tools from MySQL. Setup tables with keys and relations directly to the Hadoop HDFS file system, folders and files and columns. Here I am showing to view rows of the data in the file column and select an existing Big Data Revealed naming dictionary entry where a user can create a new entry into the naming dictionary. Here, after we save and bring up the table, we can see the column names, positions, and metadata are now part of the Hadoop file column HDFS framework. Now, I am demonstrating the import process of file column names with the associated metadata to apply the Hadoop HDFS file. The import process will optionally load the column names and metadata into the Big Data Revealed dictionary, as well as any assigned to the column values for the file. After importing the file, we can see that the file now has the associated imported column names, and these names will be available by all users and third-party tools moving forward. Now, after running these files through the Big Data Revealed processes to discover personally identifiable information, data outliers and anomalies, column business classifications, and more. Now when the Big Data Revealed discovery results are reviewed, we can see the file column names. And when we mouse over the column name, we can also see the column position in the file along with any user-defined descriptive metadata. Now I am demonstrating the export of the file column naming along with the user-created descriptive metadata. The CSV file will be downloaded to your computer or server download directory. Here we can see in Excel the results of the export from Big Data Revealed. Now as we review the results of the business column classification run, we see the results that Big Data Revealed discovery found. This process searches for predefined patterns, searching for domain values of emails, names, addresses, IP addresses, social security numbers, and many more column metadata values. The user can add column names and metadata, use the suggested column names if the discovery process found some, or a combination of both or none. Here again, the user reviewed some of the domain data and determined what the column should be labeled and found this label, in this case IP address, and assigned this name to the column. Thank you for watching this Big Data Revealed series of new offerings. Please feel free to read our upcoming update to download a fully functioning Big Data Revealed VM, complete with Apache Hadoop. You can reach Big Data Revealed at info@bigdatarevealed.com or call us at 847-791-7838 and ask for Steve.